Hello friends, welcome back to Gauri's Kitchen. Today we are going to see Mooli Paratha, that is radish paratha recipe. It is one of the bachelor's cooking recipes. For this, side dish is not required. You can have it without side dish. Before going to the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Come, let's see how to make Mooli Paratha. The required ingredients are: I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt required amount, and 2 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 radish. We shall make a Mooli Paratha dough now. Now we shall grate the radish. We should add radish according to the dough needed. For 1 cup I have taken 2 radish. You should not add the grated radish as it is. I will show you how to make it. If you add the grated radish as it is, then you will get a watery dough and you cannot prepare parathas. Now the radish is grated. Now we have completely extracted the juice from grated radish. Now see how dry it has become. You should extract the juice as much as possible. You should not leave it little watery also. Take a vessel and add 1 cup of wheat flour. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, required amount of salt, first do like this so that the salt, chili powder and turmeric powder is evenly mixed throughout the dough. A juice extracted from radish. Add gradually. At this stage we need some more water, but before adding water, add the pulp of radish so that even after adding the pulp, if you need water, you can add. After adding the pulp, I didn't add any water, but it has come to dough consistency. If you feel that the dough is little rough, you can add a few drops of water. I have taken 2 teaspoons of oil. Prepare it as soon as possible so that the dough may not become watery. Now I am not putting coriander leaves nor methi leaves because I am not having it right now. But if you add that too, it will become more tasty. See how soft it is. Now we need to prepare the parathas. Then tap the dough like this. After bringing it to a shape, you can roll it. See, our paratha is done. Now we need to put it in tawa and fry it. Put it on the tawa and let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add oil. Turn to the other side. Now the paratha is well cooked. Now our mooli paratha is ready. You can make it instantly and very yummy too. Also, it's good for health. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.